Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Fat. We have a fifth lecture on the aptitude test, and today we have to discuss the topic which is derivative. So here, derivative of sin square x plus cos square x. So we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta, it is equals to 1. So that means the derivative d upon dx, it will be equals to 1, and the derivative of constant, it is equal to 0. That means the D option is correct of the first MCQs here. Now come to the second MCQs here, that is derivative of log log x at the base a. We have the formula of the derivative here, that is 1 over x ln a. This is the formula of the derivative of log x at the base a. It is 1 over x ln a. This is the correct option A. It is the correct option of second MCQs. Now the most important MCQs here, the derivative sin square x minus cos square x. This is derivative sin square x cos square x. Derivative sin square x cos square x. So we have a formula here. If we have to take out the negative sign common here, so that will be equals to cos square x minus sin square x. This is, we have to take out the negative sign common. Now it becomes the formula cos square x minus sin square x. It is equals to cos 2x. This is cos 2x. Now we have to find out the derivative of cos 2x here. So this is derivative of cos 2x will be equals to sin 2x, and the derivative of angle, it is 2x, so its derivative is 2. So the answer is sin 2x. The most important MCQs here. So the D option is correct for the third MCQs. Sin square x minus cos square x. We have a formula cos square x minus sin square x. That is why we have to take out the negative sign common from here, this bracket. And cos square x minus sin square x, it is equals to cos 2x, and the derivative of cos, we know that it is sin with the given angle, and then we have to find out the derivative of angle, that is 2x, it is equals to 2. So this is minus 2 sin 2x. So the D option is correct for the third MCQs here. Now we have to discuss a very important MCQs again here. That is the derivative of ln e of sin x. And we have the property here, if we have there ln of ex, then the power become the coefficient of ln here. So this is sin x of ln of e. The derivative, the ln e, it is equals to 1. They will cancel out to each other, or direct we can put it is equals to 1 here. So the derivative of sin x, it is cos x. So the cos x, the correct option is A for the fourth MCQs. Now come to the fifth MCQs. The stationary point is minimum if the stationary point is minimum, then double derivative will be greater than 0. the double derivative is greater than 0, then the stationary point will be minimum, and if the double derivative is less than 0, then the stationary point will be the maximum here. So the A option is correct for the fifth MCQs here. Now come to the sixth MCQs here, that is derivative of 3 power 2x square minus 1. So here the function remains same, because we have to take out the ln on both sides, and then the derivative of 2x square minus 1, it will be equals to 4. How we have to find out this? We can take out ln on both sides like this here, because this is exponential type function. Power, it is in the function, so those type of the functions are called exponential type functions. In this situation we have to take out ln on both sides to find out the before finding the derivative of the function. So like things like that here. So this is 2x square and this is ln 3. This is ln 3, because power become the coefficient of the function here. Now we have to take out the derivative here. So this is ln of y will be equals to 1 over y dy over dx, and here this is 4x, because the derivative of 2x square is 4x and the derivative of 1 is 0. ln 3 remains same, and this y we have to shift to the right hand side, and y it is equals to the question here, that is 3 power 2x square minus 1. This. So the D option is correct of the sixth MCQs here. So dear students, remember that this is the exponential type equation here. So when we have to find out the derivative of exponential type function, before finding its derivative we have to take out ln on both sides, and then we have to find out its derivative. So the sixth MCQs, the correct option is D in this situation here. Now come to the question number 7, MCQs number 7. Limit x tends to a, f of x minus f of a divided by x minus a. This is the basic formula to find out the derivative by using the first principle. So it is equals to f of a. More than 90% students make mistake and they write down the a option, that is f prime of x. This is not x. X tends to a, so that the correct option is B, that is f prime of a. So the correct option of the 7th MCQs is B, that is f prime of a. Now come to the 8th MCQs. Now come to the 8th MCQs. Y is equals to ln sin x. So here y is equals to ln sin x. So we have to differentiate with respect to x. So the derivative of ln will be equals to 1 over whatever the value is given to you, and then we have to find out the derivative of sin x. The derivative of ln x, it is equals to 1 upon sin x, and the derivative of sin x will be equals to cos x, and cos over sin, it is equals to cot x. The derivative of sin x is cos x. Cos multiplied by 1, that will be cos over sin. Cos over sin means the cot x. So the correct option of the 8th MCQs, it is cot x. Now come to the 9th MCQs here. This is f of t, it is equals to ln of ln t. Ln of ln t. So what we have to do in this situation here? So this is f prime t ln of ln t. So here we have to differentiate with respect to t. So this become the prime. Now focus here. The derivative of ln, it will be equals to 1 over whatever the value of given to you here. So this is the derivative of this ln, and now we have to find out the derivative of this ln t. It becomes 1 over t. So the correct answer is t of ln t. So the correct option of the 9th MCQs, it is C part, which is correct of the 9th MCQs. Now again here we have to discuss in second or the third MCQs here. This is derivative of e power ln sin x square. We have discussed the relation between the ln x and e of x. They are inverse function to each other. So here this is d over e over ln sin x square. So ln and e, it will be equals to 1. So the derivative of dx will be equals to sin x square. And the derivative of sin x, it will be equals to cos x square. And the derivative of x square, it is equals to 2x. So the correct option is 2x cos x square. 2x cos x square. So the C option is correct in the 10th MCQs. Dear students, we have discussed the most important MCQs, and that was the 5th lecture of the derivative. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel. Math with Yasir Rafat. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.